Welcome to Curated by 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 working out, traveling, or even falling asleep. This 3-in-1 Bluetooth headband might just be what you need. It combines a soft, stretchy headband with built-in wireless headphones, perfect for sports or winding down after a long day. Designed with ultra-thin speakers and a Bluetooth control module in the center, it's ideal for side sleepers. The speakers sit flat, so you can lay on your side without feeling any pressure on your ears. You get clear sound quality for music, audiobooks, or even phone calls, all hands-free. Made from breathable polyester and spandex, this headband is flexible, sweat-absorbent, and easy to wash. Simply remove the Bluetooth module, and you can keep it clean and fresh for everyday use. The rechargeable battery gives you more than 10 hours of playback with just a 1 to 2 hour charge, making it perfect for overnight use or long workout sessions. You won't have to worry about running out of power mid-run or during a night's sleep. With its comfort, easy pairing, and impressive battery life, this Bluetooth headband makes a thoughtful gift for anyone on the go, commuters, fitness enthusiasts, or even light sleepers. Thanks for watching.